I thought it would be easier to create a video to explain the issues. So adding a tour works fine. Adding an experience. By the way, I really like this loading thing. Adding an experience, if I write in title and description and I press create, the page just reloads. The same happens for add a volunteer experience. So I'm unable to add an experience and I'm unable to add a volunteer experience opportunity. When I go to create a tour schedule, it's not creating a tour schedule at all. So there's nowhere I can add prices and there's nowhere I can add dates. It's actually just creating a tour. It's not actually creating a tour schedule at all. It's just adding another tour. It's exactly the same as adding another tour. It's not creating a tour schedule. So maybe it's linking through to the wrong page. This is the same for creating an experience schedule. Actually, creating an experience schedule is just creating a tour. It's not, and it's the same for. And when I click volunteer, it's linking through to the volunteers. It's not actually creating a volunteer schedule. So no schedules are correct at all. And adding experience and adding a volunteer opportunity don't work either. So these two are wrong, not working, and all of these are linking through to the wrong pages. Finally, on a test, the first letters need to be capitalized, and also we need an icon because they haven't got icons. Other than that, looking fine. Again, really can't add dates or availability on the schedule, so that really needs to be done. I've given it to the client, so I'm hoping to get their feedback tomorrow, but I promised them that this will be fixed tomorrow. So we need to be able to set the schedules, and we need to be able to actually add volunteer experiences and volunteer opportunities and experiences. Sorry, and we just need it to work and actually be able to create schedules. At the moment, there's nowhere to create dates. There's nowhere to create prices. And that is there as part of the theme functionality. So we need that working. We need it linking through to the right things. So I can actually show them that it's done. And they can give me their actual feedback, and hopefully we can do their feedback and get this signed off. So please, can we have this done by my morning? So that's their morning as well. So hopefully they can be happy and we can go forward. Cheers.